It's Toys Galaxy. Today we're unboxing the ReMent Japanese Life set. In the previous video, we opened the ReMent Pikachu Komarebi Cafe. Today we're going to be unboxing this one. As all of the other ReMent sets, it has characters here, and on the side it shows you pictures of what you can get. Hope we get the Japanese desk, or the tea ceremony, or the Japanese sweets. Oh, and there's a little sewing set. Japanese hobby, New Year food, ooh, and Japanese souvenir. I wonder which one we're gonna get in this one, guys. But before we open this, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Toys Galaxy. Now, let's start to unbox this. Oh, and I think we got the sewing set, guys. So we have number 8 sewing set. Here I think is a little box and then a little mat that you can use. But I'm going to keep it like it is so I don't have to cut it out. So we have a lot of pieces. First, we get a little red fan or a mirror. So we get a little mirror here. And if you can see, it has a little golden design of Rilakkuma. We have a little comb with a little yellow Rilakkuma face on it. I think this is the pin rest where you can put all your pins whenever you're not using them. I think these are scissors. And we have 2 spools of thread. One in white and one in green. We also have a little box that can open and close. But now, we must put everything back inside the box. There, everything fits cozy inside the box except for the little mirror. So now that our little dollies can sew anytime they want, whenever they need to fix their clothes or they just want to sew. I hope you guys really enjoyed our little unboxing of the Rilakkuma Japanese Life ReMent. For more videos, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Toys Galaxy. Until next time, guys, bye!